Welcome to Progress Academy. We have a question on polygon. We are asked to find the value of y in this figure. Alright, if you observe the figure we have on the board very well, you will see that this shape has 4 sides. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And any shape, any polygon that has 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. Okay, and we are told we have a formula in mathematics that tells us that the sum of angles in a quadrilateral, how we can obtain it. So the formula is given by n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees. So let's multiply it. Since we are treating a quadrilateral, that means the number of sides is 4. So I'm going to substitute n with 4. Alright, so this is going to give me that 4 minus 2 is equal to times 180 degrees. So we are going to have 2 times 180 degrees, and this is 360 degrees. So this means that when we sum all the angles in this polygon, in this quadrilateral, we are supposed to get 360 degrees. Now let's look at those angles so that we can sum them to 360 degrees. The angles there are, this is the first angle in this polygon, this is the second angle in this polygon, this is the third angle, and this is the fourth one, because this is the inner angle. This is not y, because y is an exterior angle. So we are looking at the interior angle there. Let's call it x. So therefore, I'm going to say sum of angles in a quadrilateral. Now I'm going to have 40 degrees plus 80 degrees plus 20 degrees plus x in degree. When I add them together, I will get 360 degrees. So x, making x the subject of the formula, x will be equal to 360 degrees minus addition of all these. This will be 80 plus 20 is 100 plus 40 is 140. So when I subtract this, I'm going to find out that x will be equal to 220 degrees. But we want to determine y and not necessarily x. So how do we find our y? Okay, if you look at this point, there is a point here. Angles round a point is equal to 360 degrees. So sum of angles around the point is 360 degrees. That means that the sum of x plus y should give us 360 degrees, because these are angles around the point. We have already determined the value of x, which is 220. So 220 degrees plus y will give us 360. Now, therefore, y will be 360 minus 220. What are we going to have? We have 140 degrees. So that is the value of our y. But then, let me show you another procedure you can use to obtain this. If you don't want to use this procedure, let's look at another procedure. They gave me this polygon on the board. This is not a triangle. Some persons may look at this and say it's a triangle. No, a triangle is a shape that has 3 sides. This has 4 sides. But let me make it into a triangle by constructing something here. I use a dotted line to fill that place. Now, let me call this side A. This side also will be equal to A. Okay, look at the small triangle I have here. Look at that small triangle. So from this small triangle, I can say that, okay, let me consider the big triangle first so that we can find the value of A. From the big triangle, this big triangle, I'm going to say 80 plus 40 plus A, that is 80 plus the whole of angle here, plus 20 plus A, will give me 180 degrees. The reason because sum of angles in a triangle gives 180. So let's add this to A. A plus A will give me 2A will be equal to 180 degrees minus addition of all this. So this will be 80 plus 20, which is 100. 100 plus 40, that is minus 140 degrees. So 2a will be equals to this, will give us 40 degrees. So the value of a will be obtained by dividing both sides by the coefficient of a, which is 2. So therefore a will be equal to 20 degrees. That means the value of my a for each of these is 20, 20. So I'm going to have 20 here, 20 here. Remember, we are looking for y. Now to find y, from the small triangle here, let's add all these. I'm going to have, this is a plus y. A plus a plus y will still give us 180 degrees because sum of angles in a triangle is 180. What is the value of a? A is 20, so this will be 20 plus 20 plus y is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, this is degrees. Therefore, y will be equal to 180 degree minus 20 plus 20 is 40. Minus 40 degrees. When we subtract that, we find out that the value of y will be 140 degrees. That's it. Bye.